Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to edit the Contact Us page text in WordPress, step by step, so you can easily update your website's contact information and make it look professional. To get started, open your web browser and log in to your WordPress website. Once you're inside the dashboard, head over to the Pages section. From there, you can either select an existing Contact Us page to edit or create a brand new one by clicking on Add New Page. Make sure to name the page Contact Us so visitors can quickly understand its purpose. Inside the page editor, you can add any information you need, such as written instructions, contact details, forms, maps, or other helpful content. You can also use the built-in design tools to adjust the layout, style the text, and add images so the page matches your website's overall look. If your theme includes a contact form template, using it can save time and help keep the page looking clean and professional. Once you're done making changes, simply click the Publish or Update button in the top right corner to make your edits live. And that's all there is to editing the Contact Us page text in WordPress. I hope this video helped make the process simple and clear. If you found it useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.